Happy Freebie Friday, my friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Today, you guys, we need to stuff our savings challenges for Freebie Friday, and we have some cash here. Let's count it up. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. I have $60 here that I'm working with today, and we are going to work on stuffing some cash. I want to try to complete some savings challenges, and I think I'm pretty hopeful we will. I have some other savings challenges that I want to put into rotation for Mother's Day, and then we'll see how all of this works out for us. So let's start off with, getting some change. Let's get some change because I know I do want to keep some 5s, but I'm not certain about 10s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do 5, 10. No. 2, 3, 4, 5. I know I just saw that I owe $6 from this savings challenge, so we are going to go ahead and add this 6 from the IOU, which was a scratch off at the bottom. And let's just do a quick count because this was an IOU, and then we will get into cash stuffing these savings challenges. All right, so we got 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Can't count. $34. All right, so I think how we'll work this out is we will roll the dice to see which, we're going to do 3 bills. Which savings challenge is getting 3 bills for each roll. So we have, let's do it this way, 1, 2, and 3. Oh, okay. So we only have 5 savings challenges. Perfect. So let me just go over where I got these savings challenges from really quickly. This one's from Miss Frugal, the Beyonce collection she has. These are all freebies. This one I got from Simply Tea Plans, which I will link down below as well. This one from Dreamy Budgets. This one I got as a freebie. I'm not certain it is a freebie in her shop. This one's from the Carter Blues, but she did send it to me in the mail as a freebie. And this last one is from Batty Bankroll. So what I try to do is complete my savings challenges. Once I do, then I move on to the next set of savings challenges. Let's roll the dice. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how about, I was going to say, how about we do it this way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because we have a roll and save at the bottom, and I'm not certain what the numbers are. So if we roll a 5 or 6, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 1. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're already looking like we have quite a bit of cash we're working with. Let me just see if any of these are completed, and then we will move on. Okay, so we'll start with the Batty Bankroll. These were $2 each, I believe. So we're doing $2 each. So we need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that one's not completed. It needs 3 more dollars. This one I believe was $2 each as well. So we need 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this one's completed. I'm going to move it off to the side. We're going to put this cash back over here so we can keep working with it, and then we'll figure out our plan. Okay, this one I believe was $2. Were they $2? I didn't write it on there, so excuse my. Nope, those are $1. Okay, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. Doesn't look like we have 16. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have 9. And this one's a roll and save, so we're just going to keep going with this one. Should save us quite a bit of money. All right, so now we have, how are we going to do this? Since we lost one, how about we do, this one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's just see if I can remember that. Okay, here we go. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and I don't remember how much that one needed. Did that one need $3? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, that one's completed. Okay. Okay, but listen, I didn't never claim to be perfect. We're just trying to save some cash. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't remember how much that one needed. Okay, we'll try one more time with that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this one needed 16. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It has exactly 16. We are cranking these out. Now, these two, let's see. Since this one already has cash, how about, how do I want to work this one out? There's $4 left. Should I just put it here? How about this? We have $4 left. Whichever, if I roll odd, even. Odd, even. Let's see. Which one of you are getting the $4? Even. Boom. Okay, so it was what I wanted it to be anyway. We're going to get started with this one from the Carter Blues. We're going to add $4 today. Where's my black marker? I don't know. Ay, ay, ay. Every week I claim I'm going to do better because I want to do better. But, you know, I'm not perfect. All right. I would do a scratch off if I could find my coin. Found it. All right, so this one is an IOU of $1. Do I have $1 anywhere? Do I have $1? That one's an IOU of $1. Do I have $1? I'm going to see if I have $1. But let's count this up really quickly because I know I have some bigger bills. So far we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. $38. So I'm going to get some change here. 1 second. All right, so we're going to put this 10 here and take these bills here and set them off to the side for my next cash stuffing. And we're going to add in that other $1 instead of doing an IOU. And I'm not going to scratch it. I'll just wait until next time. So what did I say we had? 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. $39. And she sent me plenty of savings challenges. I'm not certain how I'm going to work those out and get those in rotation. But there's such cute savings challenges. I'm going to have to work on those. All right. So this one is not completed. We still need to work on this one. And this one's not completed either. 5, 6, 7. We're adding $7 today. All right, so we've got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16 here. And with 2 savings challenges left, I think maybe our mini Mondays will be a odd even, or I might have to try to figure out, maybe I'll combine them next Monday, combine them with my other savings challenges from S&C Budget Creations, so I can try to get these completed. All right, so this savings challenge, let's go ahead and mark it off because we did the work, right? We want to give ourselves some credit. We're marking off our peanuts here. And yes, in total, we saved $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21, $22, $23, $24. $24. And I have another $20. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set this off to the side so that way I have my change for my next savings challenge cash stuffing, but also when it's time to do my sinking funds cash stuffing, I will have some bigger bills. All right, let's move this off to the side and we'll set this one here because it is completed. All right, and we are coloring in, we're putting in some hearts here, so we completed our savings challenge. Yay! So exciting. My face is hurting from smiling so hard from actually finishing some savings challenges. $60 is a lot of money to stuff at one time for me, but since I had some, you know, a little bit of wiggle room with my 5 weeks of paychecks this month, because it is a magic month for me, I was excited to, very much so, excited to stuff this cash. 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30. All right, so let me get, I think I had, yeah, I have 2 5s here. So we'll put those there, and then I have a 20, let me grab it, and I have a 20. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this 30, yes, put it there. And this savings challenge we completed today as well. All right, and we are going to mark it off here. In total, we saved 10, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Saved $24 today. All right, let's see. What can we do here? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see here. Let's grab a 5. And then I'll have to figure out, because I don't want to stuff, no, I don't want to stuff $2 bills, do I? Okay, I'm going to have to figure that part out in terms of what I want to do. I know I don't want to put $2 bills into my sinking funds envelopes. So I'm going to have to figure that part out. And I do have some bigger bills in some of my other binders. So we'll have to work on that. But that means we completed 3 more savings challenges. And like I said, I think Monday when we come back together, it's not going to be a freebies, but it will be minis. I think that's where my headspace is. I think that's what we're going to work on. I think that's it. Okay, 1 second. I'm just going to grab my sinking funds binder. All right. So my sinking funds binder is my binder that I've been using to reallocate my savings challenge money. But I also have incorporated some other binders, and I think I may be combining them at some point, just because I feel like it makes more sense to not have 2 envelopes for the exact same thing in different binders. Maybe combining them. I don't think I'm going to do it right now, but at some point I think that may be what I'll need to do. So in total I have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. So we will be working on completing some more savings challenges and doing another sinking funds cash stuffing hopefully next Wednesday. That's usually how I like to work it is Wednesdays are my sinking funds cash stuffings for this binder. I've got some other things going on as well. And because of the other binders being in full swing, this binder still has money. So I like the fact that this is kind of more of a cushion than it is anything else at this point. But I'm so proud to see the progress being made, and I'm very excited to see what happens moving forward. I get discouraged along the way sometimes, but then I just think something's better than nothing. But also I think it's really important to not compare yourself to other people. I keep saying that because I need to hear someone say it, and I need to hear me say it. I'll see people saving some really big chunky numbers, and I'm like, yes, that's exactly, and maybe one day that will be me. But for now, we have to be okay with the journey we're on and the progress we're making. We have to pat ourselves on the back for it. I'm so glad to see these savings challenges coming along. And I want to encourage you, whatever your savings journey is, save. And whatever your spending journey is, enjoy your spending. Whatever your goals are, enjoy reaching your goals. I think it's really important to not forget to enjoy this part. We work so hard to get to this point, we need to enjoy it. All right, that's it for now, guys. Oh man, we've gone ahead and completed our Freebie Friday savings challenges. We will be coming together next week. Hopefully we'll finish a couple more savings challenges on Monday. I don't know what's going to happen, but fingers crossed, because we want to see some progress, right? We always want to see some progress. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.